fixing stuff. Basic maintenance, I guess you can say it. We are rebuilding my entire buggy. I don't know why. Apparently some guy drove it last year and broke it. He's an a-hole. I don't know his name. You know him. I'm knock him out.
Leave him alone for 5 minutes.
Well, I got this big beautiful jar of really called peanut butter, and it has to go inside of here, and inside of here. And what it does, it prevents mud and water, everything getting inside here, because this is all bolted together with the wheel on it, so you want to keep as minimal possible debris as possible inside here. That's what we have to do. So we're going to have to start the buggy, we're going to have to turn it one way. All the axles, we're going to have to fill up with this peanut butter stuff. We'll all look like big logs of poop. We'll put those together, those in there, and then we will put some spindles on, and I'll show you guys how to build a hub on a rocker.
Right like that.
It's military grade grease. We don't really know what it's called. All we know it's like peanut butter. It's just like peanut butter. So
It has an NSN
we
number on the side.
stuff our axles full of this stuff. Then prevents water and debris and all that good stuff from going inside our axles. So we got the axles turned right now one way, rear. We got one way turned on the front. Probably the opposite, but all I'm doing is this army pail that I got from Canada, Canadian Army grade, by the way, not American. Just to get that straight. And make a big dink, or a big piece of poop, and we'll go over here and we'll do this one. We're gonna fill this side right up, so you can see this side in here before I fill it up. All you can see is a big gap, and all this is behind here is our boot. So what we need to do is put some grease in here, this stuff, and what this stuff does is prevent any water and debris coming in. So that's what we like to do. We just like to make sure we got lots in there. We don't like to cheap out. The more the merrier. That's the way I see it, right? Can't be cheap with this stuff. We'll just fill it up. We'll make it all nice like that, right? Like you can see that, it's all nice and clean, and then our drive shaft, our axles are greasable, the U-joints, but it really takes this thing apart when you're racing. Nobody. So just like to make sure when I'm racing that I got all my aspects covered, because if you don't have it covered, just takes a little water debris and ruin your weekend, right? So this is a little preventative measure, is what I like to call it. Did the backs there, now we're going to go to the fronts, and then we're going to turn the wheels the other way. And I've already did the kingpins, new plates, they're greased, so they're solid, they're deadly. We checked those out already. We had to do some machine on our overs and axles, which aren't cheap. Thank God we were able to machine them. So I would have probably broken for this year's racing.
Great to see you here in the
Just put this stuff on nice and thick. Don't like to be cheap. Cheap will cost you money. Use water.
How much do you love the peanut butter?
Well, I don't really like the peanut butter. Everybody thinks it stinks. I don't really think it's that bad. You gotta wear gloves though, for sure. So we don't know what it actually is made of, or we don't even actually any MSDS sheets on this stuff, so we just fucking play it by ear. We've been told by racers from the past, so that's what we do. It's just what they told us to do, so we just, learn what you're taught, right? Because everybody can teach you anything. That's the best thing you ever do is knowledge in racing. So, right, you do something, you just do it, right? Just makes more sense. This stuff's terrible, though. It's like I'm getting laughed at.
Thank you, Caroline.
And I might have been drinking since like 1 o'clock this afternoon, at 2 o'clock. Who's judging, anyways? I'm not really judging anybody.
You must have started right after you called me today.
Oh man, we started pretty quick after that. Yeah.
That's a fully done one?
That's a fully done one, full of peanut butter. Put the shafts in, and they put a spindle on, and the hubs, and a bunch of bearings, and a bunch of races, and yeah.
We're putting races on the buggy?
Races. Yes, races on the hubs, actually. They hold the bearings, is what I've been told. It's not my big grade. There you go. That's a fully lubed hub. Hard knuckle, I guess. Ready to rock and roll. There you go. Now some guys are grabbing some shafts over there. Oh, I haven't done that one yet.
Yeah, I know. Just laying it up.
47 spline over some shaft, 2-inch. Rockwell machine, obviously. Awesomeness. Best you can get. They don't make better than this. This is all you get.
I hear you use hummus in your axles.
We use hummus. There's a hummus right here. It's military hummus. Canadian military hummus. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Top secret shit. Come Canadian. I'll tell you what it's about.
Gabby? No. This is just that last little.
That's better. And then when we put the spindle on, it'll actually suck it in a bit too. The last bit.
Oh, here, play some grease.
Could I?
I don't know what the fuck we're doing here, so.
Just nut.
We're putting a hub on. Explain yourselves.
Two nuts, right?
Okay.
So one side of the nut is rounded and one is flat. The flat side goes in to the bearing.
Okay. So we need a 3-inch socket for this.
Yep.
And how much foot-pounds torque do we torque this first bearing to?
I have to look in the book again. I can't remember.
Girtha.
200 foot-pounds?
It's like 275, I think.
Yeah. Tight, tight, tight. If you can spin the hub, go a little bit more. You're trying to seat that bearing. Then back it off and zero.
Oh, okay.
Hardest shot.
Fuck, those look sexy, those sticking out like that, eh? They look fucking badass. Fucking. No offense to Dana 60s, but fuck the Rockwells look badass in their fucking men.
It's just the bolts. Makes it look pretty.
Whatever. They look badass. 2-inch shafts, 1/4-inch shafts.
Nobody knows how big your shafts are. They can't see them.
Hey?
Nobody knows how big your shafts are. They can't see them.
Your wife can. So can everybody else. We'll be winning races, taking games, kicking asses. We just got fucking old school fucking outlaw egg tire beers here, bud.
Not everybody's beautiful.
Did you get it? Nice.
Pause.